Hello everyone, today we'll see how to get icons for your presentations. Icons have the capability to express more in less and play a vital role in every sort of field if designed properly. They quickly tell a user what the presentation is about, and they also draw user attention to the most important area of the slide. If you have Microsoft 365 in your system, you will get the icons under the Insert tab. Illustration, icons. Type the keyword and you get the result. However, you do not get many options to choose from. Also, when it comes to combination of words as your keyword, it fails to give you the required result. This is why I personally use the Noun Project. To begin, you have to create an account and follow the steps that I am going to show you. Type the keyword in the search box and hit enter. You will get numerous results to choose from. Click on the one that suits your requirement. Then click Get This Icon and select Basic Download, as this is not a premium account. Click Continue and SVG. The icon gets downloaded in your folder. Now you can drag the icon onto the slide or copy and paste it on the slide. When you select the icon, the Graphics Format tab activates. Click on Convert to Shape. Then ungroup and delete the unwanted elements from the icon. Now your icon is ready to be used. Thank you very much. If you have any questions regarding this, please comment below. Thank you for watching this video. If you like my tutorial, please share, like and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.